Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today I got Galaxy A73. Officially Galaxy A73 currently updated to One UI 6.1 Android 14. But I have flashed the customized ROM One UI 6.1.1 on which I can get Galaxy AI features with this port, the 2.5.3. The call assistant is working sometime, sometime not. Good morning, good afternoon एंड गुड इवनिंग। मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? नॉट वर्किंग। कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से हैं? क्या हाल है आपकी? हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग। Same way interpreter is also working sometime not. Other than that, other things like Galaxy AI feature like photo assist, drawing assist, browsing assist. Yes, I checked the photo assist working, browsing assist is working. Only we are getting issues with the interpreter. Now, this is the One UI 6.1.1 and Android 14, and the ROM is actually UN1CA 2.5.3. Camera application working perfectly. All the modes of the camera working, either the rear camera or the front camera. Yes, we can get or we can take the pictures, we can record videos from rear camera and front camera. We are having here the fun part where we make videos or pictures, taking a pictures for like Snapchat, etc., etc. And rest all the modes, portrait, photo, video. If we go to the mode, yes, all the modes are working absolutely fine with this port. This ROM is coming device certified, so we are not having any issues with the safety net. The device is certified, and yes, obviously, if the device is certified, the safety net is also passed. Banking application working fine because this ROM is not rooted. If the ROM is not rooted, so the banking application will be working perfectly and fine. Rest all the applications downloaded straight away from the Google Play Store. So this is the control center currently with the 2.5.3 port, One UI 6.1.1. The DeX mode not working. I do not have wirelessly connectivity, so I checked the Samsung DeX with my cable, it's Type C to HDMI, but the Samsung DeX is not supporting. I read in the description that the Samsung DeX is supporting the UN1CA Rom, but I think that is for the Galaxy S series. Anyway, the Samsung DeX, I can see that the Galaxy A73 with this ROM, but the DeX is not working with the cable. About the battery is so good with this ported ROM. Yes, definitely you will get a good battery life if you are using this ROM. VoLTE is working, VO Wi-Fi is also working. I have the SIM card inserted in my mobile phone. I can make a calls. Yes, the incoming calls and the outgoing calls is happening perfectly without any issues. And if I go to settings, then tapping the UN1CA settings, I can see that many customization over here. And this is obviously the Play Integrity Fix version. Device name is 73 5G. Play power on sound effect. I would like powering on or restarting the mobile phone. We will hear the sound, and this is the enable live blur effects and fingerprint unlock animation style. If we tap here, we can select any from these, and this one you can see force peak refresh rate, unlock higher fps in games. These options are for the gamers who like to play heavy games on the Galaxy A73 5G. These two options will help for the gamers. And there are few things also available in the UN1CA settings. Now if you see the version, the ROM version is currently 2.5.3. One more thing, that updates are coming. I have used the UN1CA Rom on my Galaxy A71, A51, and updates are coming. Fingerprint scanner is working perfectly. The face unlocking is also working very fast and very perfectly. And let me open the gallery application. This is the app lock. Currently, I have set the app lock on my gallery application. Working, yes. And you can see that I have some photos that converted in cartoon mode, or these are the like Galaxy AI feature. If you want, you can play with the Galaxy AI feature. There are a lot of things with the One UI 6.1.1, and I hope that in future we will get One UI 7 also for the Galaxy A71 and A73. This is me. I have convert the pictures like in cartoon or portrait mode, something like that. This is the fun part, that the fun section is available on the camera application, in camera application. During calls, if you want to set the call recording automatically, the call will get recorded automatically. And if you want, you can have a button, record button. During call, you can just tap the record button, the call will start recording. This is a good ROM for Galaxy A73. Yes, right now the phone is not getting updated to the One UI 6.1.1. But in case if you like to have this ROM, you need to unlock the bootloader of your mobile phone and then simply follow the rest video steps. You will get the ROM on this mobile phone. So finally, my mobile phone is back to the stock firmware, totally stock firmware. Now we have to do few things before flashing the ported ROM. What are those? First of all, you need to check the mobile phone battery must be charged above 30%, and try to connect the internet, either if you have mobile data or Wi-Fi, right? Connect internet on your mobile phone. You need to save all the internal storage data. The flashing of the customized ROM or ported ROM will format everything. Galaxy A73 5G, model number is A736B/DS. Both IMEI numbers present over here because this is the dual SIM mobile phone. We'll tap the software information. I have updated my mobile phone to the latest stock firmware. If you can see the build number, just check the last alphabets XK2, right? This is the stock firmware, One UI 6.1, Android 14. Now tap the build number for 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to turn on the developer options. We'll go back, then we'll go to developer options, and we need to turn on the OEM unlocking. In case if you have flashed the stock firmware or if you have done the factory data reset, definitely you will see that the OEM unlocking is not over here. So connect the internet on your mobile phone and go back, tap the software update, check the software update by tapping the download and install. Just wait here. If your mobile phone is up to date, you will see that your software is up to date. Then go back and go back, then go back to developer options, and definitely you will see that the OEM unlocking will be back. If the OEM unlocking is off, then turn it on, right? Must turn OEM unlocking on before flashing the custom recovery. Go to accounts and backup, then manage accounts. In case if you are using Samsung account, must sync it and must remove it. Otherwise, the recovery will have a trouble flashing it. And sync your Google account also. Remove it to avoid any issues later on. And go to lock screen. Turn off the lock screen by selecting the swipe. Simply power off the mobile phone. So here are the files that we have to download. Links are all provided in my video description, right? So this is the VB Meta patch file for the Galaxy A73 5G. If you have latest firmware, this patch will support. Then download the Odin 3.14 and recovery. Obviously, we have to flash the recovery first. And this is the UN1CA 6.1.1. The ROM version is basically 2.5.3. We have to download. In case if you are watching this video in future, whatever the latest version provided, just go for that. Now extract the Odin in same folder, then open the extracted folder and double click the Odin file. Click OK on this pop-up window. So on the Odin screen, click any slot. I will go for AP. Then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will select the recovery.tar by double clicking on it. Then I will click CP and will go back to my downloaded folder and I will select the VB Meta patch file by double clicking on it. Now coming back towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone is supposed to be power off. We need to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Now you need to check the buttons. The buttons are supposed to be working perfectly. If any of the button not working perfectly or properly press, the Odin mode screen will not appear. You need to check the data cable must be connected. The other side must be connected with the computer. Mobile phone is supposed to be power off. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, right? And connect the cable with the mobile phone. Now wait for the warning screen to be appears. Just wait. And here we go, warning screen appears, right? Now those who do not have an unlock bootloader, we need to unlock the bootloader on this screen, right? Those who have an unlock bootloader already, they can go ahead. Now for unlocking the bootloader, we need to press and hold the volume up key. Keep it pressed, just wait for the other screen. Yes, so we got the other screen. Release the volume up key immediately when you see mobile phone is going to the another screen. On this screen, press the volume up key once to unlock the bootloader. But remember, after pressing the volume up key, the mobile phone will restart. Immediately press and hold the volume up key, volume down key to let the mobile phone boot into warning screen once again. Do not let your mobile phone to boot to the stock firmware, right? Now press the volume up key, then immediately press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. The warning screen will appear once again. Then press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Press the volume up key once again to light up the screen. If you can see, the Odin screen is, it is supposed to be FRP lock must be off, OEM lock must be off. In a bracket you will see U, means that bootloader is already unlocked, and the KG states must be showing checking, right? If you see pre-normal, then you will have issues flashing the custom recovery. Phone is booted into Odin mode, connected with the computer. On the computer screen, if you have installed the Samsung Android USB driver on your Windows, the Odin will detect the mobile phone. On Odin screen, go to Options, untick the Auto Reboot, go back to Lock, click Start to start flashing the recovery. When you see pass message, means done, exit the Odin, go back to downloaded folder. The mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. Now we have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery from the Odin mode screen. Remember, the cable must be connected. Do not disconnect the cable. Now we have to press the all three keys. Press and hold the all three keys. Press volume up key, volume down key, and power key. Just wait. When mobile phone restart, first release the volume down key. Okay, now release the power key and wait. Do not release the volume up key, just wait. Samsung logo appears. On this screen, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just release the volume up key and immediately press it once again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and release the key. Wait, the mobile phone will maybe restart and maybe straight away boot will to the TWRP. Just wait, let's see. Okay, the mobile phone restart. Doesn't matter, no worries. It will boot into TWRP. Just wait for few seconds. Here we go. TWRP recovery appears. So first of all, we have to format data because the storage is encrypted. If I tap the install button, you will see nothing over here. Go back, tap wipe, tap format data, type YES and tap here. When done, go back, then tap reboot and tap recovery. So the storage appears on the computer screen, but still the storage is not in proper format. We cannot copy paste, right? Now we have to do one more thing, and what is that? So on the mobile phone screen, on the custom recovery, tap advanced, then tap file manager and select the data folder by tapping on it. Then tap here, right? And tap open terminal here, this one, and type the command mkdir mkdir space media. It's like make directory with the name of media. Then tap here. Done. Go back, tap mount, then tap disable mtp, then tap enable ntp, and you will see that the internal storage will appears once again proper in proper form. Now we can copy paste. Coming back towards the computer screen, go back to the downloaded folder and copy the ROM file from the computer hard drive. Go back to the internal storage of the mobile phone, double click, and then paste the file on the internal storage of the mobile phone. It will take a little time, so we have to wait here. So the file got copied and we are done from the computer. Now coming back towards the mobile phone. Now we can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone and press the power key to unlock the screen. Swipe to unlock. Now simply tap install, then tap up level, then tap data folder, then tap media folder, and you will see the ROM file over here. Tap to select the ROM file. And but before, yes, I forgot one thing. I will go to main screen once again. And I will tap settings, then I will tap the third menu and I will make the screen time out to maximum. Then we'll go back to again main screen, tap install. Yes, I am already in my that media folder where I can see the ROM file. Tap to select the ROM file and then swipe to start flashing. Now it will take a time, so we have to wait here. So finally, ROM flashing done. You can see that script succeeded, right? Now simply tap reboot system. The mobile phone will take a little time on the like this on this screen, and then soon it will start booting to the One UI 6.1.1 ported ROM. It will take a little time, so we have to wait. Finally, first boot completed. Didn't took that much time. Complete the setup screen. First, I will select the English language. Then I will continue completing the setup screen. Done. ROM got flash very smoothly and very perfectly. I will do some changes over here. We'll go to display. We'll select the font and we'll bold the font. And then I will tap the UN1CA settings. So this is the UN1CA Rom. Version is 2.5.3. Then we'll go back and we'll go to about phone. This is the Galaxy A73 5G, same model, and both IMEI numbers are present. We'll tap the software information. Now the mobile phone got updated to the ported ROM One UI 6.1.1, Android version same, Android 14. Baseband number provided over here, and this is the build number, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye.